You're eating clean and training hard, thinking you're doing everything right for your hormones. But what if some of those health foods are secretly sabotaging your testosterone levels? Take nuts. They can raise a protein that binds and deactivates the free testosterone in your body. And it's not just the food, it's the plastic wrap. Hormone disruptors are hiding in plain sight. Now, we will reveal the foods that impact testosterone and the hidden science of endocrine disruption. So, what exactly are these endocrine disruptors? They are chemicals that mimic or block your natural hormones, creating chaos in your system. Chemicals like BPA and phthalates are the most well-known, and they're so common that they are detected in over 90% of the U.S. population. They leach into your food from common plastics used for water bottles, takeout containers, and food wrap. This is a huge problem in the typical Western diet, which relies heavily on processed, packaged foods. But it isn't just man-made chemicals. Some seemingly innocent plants and herbs are also a concern. Before that, consider this. How can these disruptors harm you if your blood test shows normal testosterone levels? The answer to that is coming. First up, licorice root. It's a common ingredient in herbal teas and health remedies, but its impact on testosterone can be significant. Why does this matter? Studies suggest a direct link between licorice consumption and reduced testosterone, as its compounds can inhibit key production enzymes. It's a similar story for the mint family, especially spearmint and peppermint. These herbs have shown anti-androgenic effects, working against male hormones. This isn't theory. One study showed women with high androgens who drank spearmint tea had a significant drop in testosterone levels. The mechanism is the key. So we've covered hidden chemicals and surprising herbs. Now let's look at the staples on your daily plate. Let's talk dairy. Milk from pregnant cows contains hormones that some studies suggest can suppress the body's signal to produce testosterone. While the total impact is debated, dairy products can be a major contributor to the estrogen consumed in a Western diet. Next, processed foods. Trans fats are a main offender. Men with the highest intake had 15% lower testosterone than those with the lowest. This extends to diets high in bread, pastries, and other refined desserts, which studies have linked directly to lower total T levels. And of course, there's alcohol. Excessive consumption can directly impair the cells responsible for testosterone production. With all this information, it's easy to become scared of every food. So let's clear up some common myths. This is about facts, not fear. The biggest myth is soy. Despite the popular belief, large-scale meta-analyses have concluded that soy does not significantly alter testosterone levels in men. The same is true for flaxseed, another food often accused of lowering T. Again, a meta-analysis showed no significant effect on sex hormones. The point is to follow the strongest evidence, not popular opinion. The real threats are often the ones we don't discuss enough. Which brings us back to that question from earlier. How can you suffer from low T symptoms when your blood work looks perfectly fine? The answer is the most insidious trick played by endocrine disruptors. They can cause a kind of phantom low testosterone. These chemicals from plastics and processed foods physically block your testosterone receptors. Think of testosterone as a key, but the lock is jammed. The testosterone is in your blood, so your lab test looks normal. But your cells can't get the signal. You feel the symptoms, but your doctor sees no problem. So it's a two-pronged attack. Certain foods can influence T production, while chemicals from packaging interfere with how your body actually uses it. Understanding this two-front war is the first step to winning it. So what can you actually do about it? To recap, be mindful of high consumption of licorice and mint teas, high-fat dairy, trans fats, and excessive alcohol. Even nuts can bind free testosterone. To fight endocrine disruptors, minimize food from soft plastics. Choose glass or paper, and never microwave food in plastic containers. The goal isn't fear, It's to be an informed consumer. The label healthy is not enough. You must understand the mechanisms behind your food. Take control of your endocrine health with small, informed choices every day. Share this video and comment with the food that surprised you the most.